Many women do not really like lipsticks on their lips and they prefer to use lip balms. Modern hygienic lipstick do not always have all the necessary qualities. The fact is that most manufacturers replace natural components with cheaper ones and therefore they are not so useful. Cares and Cures help women achieve their body goals with ease and efficiency by helping to choose proper meal plans and effective workouts. Do subscribe to our channel and you will see the good results in very short time. It is not easy to choose a light and pleasant lip balm. And more ladies start thinking about natural remedies. So today we offer you to try to do a fragrant and spicy lip balm at home from absolutely natural ingredients. Any homemade lip balm does not require a lot of time or expensive components. Everything can be cooked very easily and all the ingredients can be purchased at any pharmacy. The main thing is that before using the components, check for allergies. To do this, you should put some amount on the inner area of the elbow and observe if there is rash, irritation or redness. For your natural lip balm, you need pumpkin spice, beeswax pastilles, castor oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, lip balm container. Heat all ingredients except vitamin E oil. Let the mixture cool, add vitamin E oil and pour into lip balm container. After complete hardening, close the container. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is an amazing vegetable rich in antioxidants. It is a great for home makeup remedy. A lip balm with pumpkin turns surprisingly gentle and fragrant. Beeswax pastilles. It not only acts as the basis for a lip balm but also bacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Shea butter. It is a universal component for any lip balm since it perfectly nourishes and moisturizes dry skin of the lips. Castor oil. It has unique properties that help to restore damaged skin of lips and to protect it. Jojoba oil. It softens the skin and protects it from the aggressive effects of the environment. Cares and Cures team help you increase your self-esteem and achieve your personal goals by opening the doors to the world of fitness and healthy lifestyle. Try it now to see the best version of yourself as soon as possible. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil has great anti-aging properties and can make your lips look healthy and beautiful. The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your body and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and let us know what do you think in the comments below.